No matches? No problem. Learn how to start a fire without them. Out in the wild without matches, here are some quick and easy ways to start a fire using natural resources. Stay tuned and hit that follow button for more survival hacks. 1. Hand drill method. First up, the classic hand drill method. You'll need a dry, softwood spindle and a fireboard. Start by cutting a small notch in the fireboard. Place the spindle in the notch and roll it between your hands, applying downward pressure. The friction creates heat and produces a small ember. Carefully transfer the ember to a nest of dry tinder, like leaves or grass, and blow gently to ignite. 2. Flint and steel method. Next is the flint and steel method. Find a piece of flint rock and strike it against a steel surface, like a knife or metal tool. The spark generated can ignite char cloth or dry tinder. Blow on it gently and voila, you've got fire. 3. Battery and steel wool trick. Got a battery? Use the battery and steel wool trick. Stretch out some steel wool and rub both ends of a battery across it. The electric current will heat the steel wool and create sparks. Add it to your tinder pile and you've got flames. 4. Magnifying glass method. Another simple method, the magnifying glass trick. If the sun is out, use a magnifying glass to focus sunlight onto a small pile of tinder. Hold steady until smoke appears and keep the light concentrated to ignite the tinder. It's like starting a fire with magic. Final tips. Remember, always prepare your tinder, kindling and fuel ahead of time. Stay patient and never give up. Each of these methods takes practice, and always remember safety first. Like, follow and subscribe for more tips. Think you can try these out? Follow us for more survival tips and tricks. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Stay prepared and keep that fire burning.